Hello guys, my name is Vichai Chan. Currently I'm a sophomore student from the Department of Civil Engineering. Today I'll be doing a video showcasing the usage of MDSolid. So without any further ado, let's get straight into our video. So guys, this is the interface of the application MDSolid, and it stands for the mechanic of the foam ball solid software. Opening it up will show you this 12 section, or it's called module. Each module would have to do its own thing, truss, to analyze the truss, torsion, calculating the torsion, determinant beam, used to get you shear moment diagram. If you're having any problem with any of the module, then just right click here. We'll give you the help tab. Just click on this, show you how to start, how to compute, etc. You can also click on the left hand side on the upper tab to bring up the same thing. Also, on the right hand side is the animated learning tool. This is basically like multiple choice game combined with learning. Let's say if I want the sexual shear and moment diagram, just click on that. Next page, give me to put in my input, etc. So to understand what this application is capable of, I have prepared two exercises that we're gonna use MDSolid to solve. Let me just bring it up. Okay, let me just put it on the left side here, on the right side here. So first exercise, the truss. We have truss module. Click on that. Opening it up will be blank, but we can get a new truss in. So the horizontal interval, I'll just put it one as well. The spacing will be 10, the number of space. Okay, I have a 10 by 10 grid here. So now let's draw our first member. It already set up to the member option. You can click on create. Now let me just draw. This is 4 feet. We have another 4 feet. Now we'll go up 3, 7 times 3, and then we have one here, connect like this, and another one like this. Okay, now that we got the frame on, let's just put in our support. For support, we have a roller here, so it's going to be in the y direction. We pull it down. Now this one's the pin. If we pull it down, it's the roller, right? But the pin has 2 force, we can just pull it the other way, and then it would get a pin. Now when we've done that, let's put in the load. Put in here. Type that's upward. When it's downward, 800. Enter the load. Compute would pop up. Click on compute, and this is what you're gonna get. So as I want to determine the force in member AE and DC. AE is this, so we have it here, and DC would be this. We already have it, both are in compression. Okay, let's move on to the second exercise. Second is a beam, a determinant one. So we have a determinant beam option. Click on that. Now this thing would give us 3 options. For this one, we have support on both sides, so we click the both support. The total beam length is going to be 9. Let me just change this to meter. Now location of left support 0, location of right support is going to be 9. Enter. So we have our beam here. Now let's put in our distribution force. This is a linear distribution. We have it here. It's linear down. Start at 0 and the end will be at 4.5 meter. Start at 0 here and at 5. This thing is kilonewton per meter. Just enter that. We have one on the left. Now let's add another one. 4.5. Then we have 9. Start the end the same. Okay, and now we have here, this is our moment diagram. We can click on it. It will give you more detail in what kind of curve is this. This is a cubic curve, etc. This is the shear diagram. This is the moment. We can also find we can also check out its reaction here. We have AY and BY. If you don't want to do that, you can also click on it, give you the equilibrium equation. And this is our load. We have Q1 and Q2 here. You can also change this to Newton and stuff, and that is simply it. It is as easy as that. Once you got an exercise, you just simply give it all the data that it needs, whether it's truss or beam, and this app would use all that data to give you the shear diagram, the moment diagram, and to analyze the truss and stuff. And that is it for this video. Thank you.